Yo, what's up guys, Andy here, back with another episode of Tab Lab, and in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin using the Robinhood app. Okay, so here we are on the Robinhood investment app, and I'm going to show you how to purchase Bitcoin. So this is what the home screen looks like. If you don't have this app, you can sign up. Actually, if you use the link in the description, you'll get some free stocks. So there's a lot going on here on the home screen, but basically you want to come down to cryptocurrency, and then you want to tap on Bitcoin. Now this is what the Bitcoin page looks like, while the stock pages kind of look like this. So the stocks are a little cleaner and nicer looking in my opinion. They make the Bitcoin look kind of futuristic, like it's a game or something, but really it's an asset just like a stock. So the first thing that you want to do is have buying power. So at the top it's going to kind of show your overall chart. I just got into this app, so I don't really have this overall chart. I only have one day, but basically you'll have buying power right here below the chart. And this means that I have $4 that I can use to buy whatever I want. I can buy stocks, I can buy Bitcoin, I can buy other cryptocurrencies, up to me. And if I want to get more buying power, I just have to deposit funds, and you can connect your bank account when you sign up and all of that and have it all ready. It says it takes up to 5 days to deposit the funds on your account. Mine took 1 to 2 days. So it's going to say $5 at the top. I have $1 invested in Bitcoin right now, and I have $4 of cash. If we scroll down, we can see that the Bitcoin on the left side of the screen looks a little bit different. There's an amount there. So let's tap on Bitcoin, and now I'm going to buy some. I'm going to buy $1 worth. You can buy however much you want. I think $1 might be the minimum, but you just want to tap buy in the bottom left corner, type in the amount that you want. So $1, and it's going to give you the estimated price that you buy at and the estimated amount of BTC that you'll get. You can see that Bitcoin is at $8,093, it says on here, but the buy price is $8,100. So basically in this market, there's going to be people selling and people trying to buy. So people are probably selling at around $8,100, which is the price that this shows, and people are probably trying to buy around like $8,080, and then this is just the average price that it shows. And basically you just have to buy from someone that's selling, and that's kind of what a market order is. So we can just type in the amount, $1, then we want to tap the review button. It's going to give us all of the details right here. So $1 estimated, and then the amount that we'll get. And all you need to do is swipe up. So it's going to send your order, and then you'll quickly get a confirmation. So we bought $1, it estimated the price and everything. You can see the order details, so we can tap that. It's going to show all of the information right here. We can go back, and then we can tap done. Let's go back again to the home screen. You'll see that I still have $5 because the Bitcoin really hasn't moved in price at all since I've purchased it. If the Bitcoin goes up, I might have like $5.01, $5.05, depending on how much it goes up or down. You can see my buying power is now $3. So basically it took $1 from my Robinhood wallet and it purchased Bitcoin with that. We can go here to Bitcoin now. We can scroll down and see the quantity that I have. So I have $2 of Bitcoin, about 0.002 and some change. And you'll be able to see your overall return and stuff right below that. So I'm down just a tiny bit. You know, Bitcoin is very volatile, so it's going up and down a lot here. If we look over a week or a month or a year longer chart, you can get a better idea of what's happening. But there you have it. There's how to buy Bitcoin using the Robinhood app. I'm also going to make another video on how to sell Bitcoin, and I'll be posting that soon, so you can check that out if you want. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more tutorials like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on